Hey all, Nathan here with the park operations team at TreePeople. So one of my jobs is taking care of the native plants. A lot of what I do here can apply to what you can do in your own native plant garden. Let me show you what I mean. When trimming your plants, try and think of the 4 Ds. That means removing dead, damaged, diseased, and deranged branches. A deranged branch is when 2 branches are touching each other. Eventually, they will create a wound, which is a possible entry for insects and disease. When you're making a cut, always choose an outside bud and cut at a slight angle. Never chop or top the branch above the bud. If you have tufts of native evergreen grasses that have dead brown blades in them, you can use a rake to pull them out and instantly liven up the look of your plant. Just pull a rake through the grass and it'll grab out the dead blades. To keep blooms going in your yard, just deadhead the dead flower blooms by cutting or pinching them off. Oftentimes a second wave of blooms will follow. Weeding is probably the general maintenance task that needs to happen the most. Be sure to pull the entire plant, including the root, and definitely before it goes to seed. Last, add mulch. It's this great chippy wood product made from trees. 2 to 3 inches of this will help to insulate the soil, keep weeds down, and breaks down into healthy nutrients for roots and microorganisms in the soil. All around great stuff. And you can get it for free. Just call your local tree trimming arborist and tell them you want a pile for use in your garden. Ask them to check their schedule for any upcoming jobs using disease-free trees